Hi, in this video I'll quickly show you how to send an SMS every X minutes. To be able to follow this video, you should have watched the previous video where we sent a single SMS with Python. So this is the code that we wrote in the previous video. Now all we have to change from this is indent these lines and on top here place a while loop. While true, we execute this periodically, but we execute those only every 60 seconds. So you need to import time and then access time.sleep, this method. So this method is also inside the while loop. And that's the finished code. So in the code, we configure the credentials of the Twilio account, which allows us to send SMS, and then this while true will make sure that this is always executed continuously. So if I run this code now, the script will run always, so it will run continuously, and it will send an SMS every 60 seconds. Now, on REPL you can do this, you can run the script, or you can do this on your own computer, but you have to leave your computer turned on 24/7 in order to send that SMS every single minute. In the next video, I'll show you how to send an SMS every day, so one time per day at a certain timestamp. So I'll talk to you in the next video.